Hello. And how are you today? We're doing pretty good here. MeMaw she's doing good. She's doing really good. She's up and walking around well with her walker. She's using her walker and she's walking and she's getting up by herself and she's eating well and yeah, she's getting back her strength. And, of course, when you're 126 years old, there's always a risk that any day could be your last. And so I'm just trying to make all of her days happy. Anyway, I've shot some video of her, and I thought I would share that with all of you. So, enjoy. Would you like to say hello?
Who am I saying hello to?
The world.
Hello, world. Am I still lopsided?
You're still a little bit lopsided.
Still lopsided.
A little bit, but not near as much as you were. You're beautiful. We're going to take your picture every day.
Oh, boy.
So anyway, tell me today, how are you feeling?
Is this for the log?
Yes.
I'm feeling old.
Well, you are old.
Maybe that's why I'm feeling old.
That could be why you're feeling old. Boy, phew!
Yeah.
Glad you weren't on the toilet when I walked by with this on. Would you like to say hello?
Who am I saying hello to?
You're saying hello to YouTube land.
Hello, everybody.
Tell them how you're doing.
I'm doing pretty well. Lorrie's looking after me well.
Spoiling her rotten.
Yes.
Because I love her.
I ring the bell and she comes running. Well, maybe not running.
Yeah, well, we don't jog around here.
I'm trying to put a post out. I need help.
Do you need some help? Okay. You want to just slide over a little bit and... MeMaw with the sexy bedhead.
You still have that running?
I just turned it back on in case you had a message for everybody.
Well, thank you for all your prayers. God heard you because I'm at peace. I'm not in pieces anymore.
What?
I have pieces that don't work so well, but they're coming along.
You sound wonderful.
I sound wonderful.
Yeah, and your smile is almost back to normal.
My droop is leaving.
Your droop is leaving a little more all the time. All right, say goodbye.
People sang songs for me and everything.
They did, and there's more coming.
And more coming.
Did you see
Wow.
John and...
I did. That was kind of funny.
That was funny. And V, or Cute Kitchen and Beyond, her kids are going to do one, and that was what I asked you yesterday. What's your favorite songs?
Right. And
I understand there are still more coming.
Oh, boy.
MeMaw loves the Christmas songs. So keep them coming, folks. All right, you can say goodbye now.
Goodbye now.
See you soon.
See you. When do we have another live?
We're going to go live Christmas Day.
That's right. Karaoke day.
Karaoke Day, Christmas Day.
Who's this?